Hey guys, and welcome back to Plant-Based Kids! Today we're going to be making veggie spring roll wraps.
Did you just say wraps?
I got this. Wraps, veggie spring roll wraps. Yo!
Are you done?
Veggie spring roll wraps.
No, I am.
Okay, so let's get to the cooking.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of
Plant-Based Kids! So for a wrap, we're going to be using some rice wraps. You can use any veggies of your choice, but we're going to be using Boston lettuce, carrots, bell peppers, and cucumbers. We're going to be using some organic tempeh, sushi ginger, and nori seaweed. And we're going to be making a special dip, which we'll show you later.
So for our special dipping sauce, we're going to be using coconut aminos, turmeric, any nut butter of your choice, but we're using pecan butter, some dates, and some nutritional yeast. And we're going to blend everything together with some water.
We're going to be adding our herbs, which we prepare in advance. It has garlic, cilantro, green onions, parsley, basil, all those stuff. And we put in a food processor, blend it, and put in the freezer, and it's ready to use for the next day.
Look at these veggie spring rolls.
Wraps, 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 wraps.
Enough singing. Let's eat.
This is really good. The sauce is amazing. I love it.
If you guys enjoy our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Subscribe.